Well, good morning. So this morning we're down about maybe 2 hours drive south of Sydney, and we've come to one of the national parks called Macquarie Pass National Park. Very close to the sort of seaside town of Kiama, a little bit further inland. And we've walked in to this stunning little waterfall. We've hiked for about maybe 45 minutes to come in. Fairly up and down sort of a hike. We've got a couple of falls here with some pretty cold water. It's the middle of, well, it's early July, so it's the middle of winter in Australia. So my composition is pretty straightforward here. I've set the camera on this rock, but fairly low, because what I want to try and do is get this lower waterfall in the shot as well. So we've got the upper falls, we've got the pool, we've got some really nice lines, the curvature in the rock here, and the lower pool as well. And what I'm doing is I'm actually bracketing. So I've got a 2-second timer on the camera. I'm focused on the front waterfall. I'm at f9, so that's going to get everything nicely in focus. And because I don't have my remote control with me today, I'm going to press the shutter, 2 seconds, and the camera is set to take 5 exposures in a bracketing sequence. Okay, let's see how that shot came out. We should have some nice flow in the water. Okay, so that was our shot in a landscape mode. Now what I've done is I've turned the camera so it's in a portrait, vertical kind of mode. Some spots of rain coming here now, so let's get this done quickly. I've done the front of the waterfall, and now I'm just going to take bracketed shots of the top falls as well. So we've got this in a portrait mode as well. So let's just I think the portrait mode works quite well because it's naturally a portrait sort of style of shot. The only thing is I can't get this little pool on the left in, but I think there's enough interest in the whole shot without that. So, okay, let's check that one out. What I've done now with the 7200 is I've gone in a much closer on the main fall itself with the little tiny waterfall on the very back of the shot as well. And I'm actually bracketing 5 shots here. A little bit closer. I've taken out the foreground fall on the right here, so we're really focused in. I just really love the curvature of the rocks up there because it's the lines of the rocks are really filling up the shot and just making, you know, a really nice leading line into the waterfall. So, okay, 30 seconds and we're done. So let's see what we get out of those bracketed shots. Well, hi again. So I've actually climbed up at the side of the waterfall, and I know a lot of people would jump off here, but I've got above the waterfall here, and looking down is actually quite a nice shot. There's again these sort of curved rocks that I'm looking down at. I know you can't see it there from there, but I had to make sure you were safe so that I could come on the ledge here. But I'm actually just pointing down at the waterfall. I've still got a 6-stop ND filter in because I'm really liking that sort of soft water look that I'm getting off the camera. So I'm going to just take a 30-second shot at f7.1. I've got a 6-stop ND in there right now. I've got a polarizer just to get the light balance the way I wanted it, and the water coming off the falls just looks absolutely beautiful. It's just really that silky smooth sort of look in the water, and also the water that's falling into the pool at the bottom is all lovely and smooth. Anyway, it's a particular kind of shot if you like that kind of thing. Let's see how this one turns out. Well, that's it. Once again, we're all done for the day down at Macquarie Pass National Park. What an incredible little place. I can just imagine this place would be super busy in summertime, and you know, lots of pools for the kids to swim in, but a very photogenic place. Absolutely stunning waterfall, and the rock formations are just very, very photogenic. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. We're all done. We're off for coffee. So if you like the video, tell me in the comments below, what was your favorite shot? I mean, there was a few there today. There was, you know, there was a landscape shot, there was some portrait, vertical type shots. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite shot? I'm interested to know. Anyway, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Cheers. Okay, 6 time is a charm. Okay, right. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Nice! Right. We'll just do that again.